Hey everyone, hope you're doing well today. Got another great video. We're going to be going over another coding problem. And in this coding problem, we're also going to implement a stack into a string. So let's go ahead and go over it. Check it out. So it says, given a string in lowercase English characters, your task is to remove the minimum number of parentheses in any position so that the resulting parentheses string is valid and return any valid string. Alright, because an empty string contains only lower characters, or it can be written as a B, the valid strings. It can be written as A, where A is a valid string. Alright, let's check out some examples. Alright, looks pretty easy enough. English characters. Alright, let's go ahead and get right into it. So we know that we want to go ahead and split the string into an array. This is going to make it easier and we can return indices instead. So I'm going to go ahead and do const res, and for the res, we're going to have that as, since we have it as s, we're going to do s split. We're going to go ahead and split that. With that, we're also going to go ahead, do that stack, empty array. All right, perfect. So yeah, with this, it's so we don't throw characters of basically how we return a string to an array. And we're also going to initialize a stack. Next, what we're going to want to do is if we see a left bracket, we're going to add to the stack. So let's go ahead and start out with a for loop, and we're going to do for let I equal 0. We're going to have I is less than the res.length. So we're looking for the length. Then we're going to initialize I. Alright. Now in this for loop, here is where we're going to be doing where if we see the left bracket, add to stack. So if res, and inside we'll put I, we'll have that equal to this left bracket. Then we're going to want to push I. Alright, great. Now let's go ahead and do an else statement. So this is if we encounter a right bracket. So we'll do else if do res I that is equal to the right bracket and have an stack length, then we're going to want to just pop this out. We'll do stack.pop and pop that out of there. Now we're going to also want to do another else if when it comes to replacing the character with the empty string. So we'll go ahead and do else if. We'll do res I, and if that is also equal to that right bracket, then we're going to do res I is equal to have an empty string here. All right, looks good so far. I'm thinking now that as long as the value is in the stack, we'll basically want to pop the value out. So we can do this with a while loop, and we'll do while stack dot length and const cur, and we're going to do idx for index. So current index is equal to stack dot pop, we're going to want to do the current index is equal to empty. All right, great. Now we're just going to want to return, but we also want to join back. So we'll do res.join. Here we are. All right, I'm going to look through and make sure that everything is correct. So we have all right, it looks good. Go ahead and run the code. All right, it was accepted. We're going to go ahead and submit now. Looks like it ran. All right, guys, so taking a further look into this, here we have a for loop right here. And we also have the size of this string, and we also have split. So for that, that will make our time O of n. Now, as far as space, our space we are storing in stack and also split method, which will have our space come out to O of n. So guys, we have two O of n's for time and space. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and try it out for yourself, maybe implement your own different types of solutions. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, learned a little something. See you in the next one. All right, bye guys.